Welcome back, my little punkies. If you're new here, I am Dani and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to check out my channel. Today I originally had another video scheduled to be posted today, but I was so excited to get this package in the mail today and I couldn't wait to see what was in it, so I decided to go ahead and bump the other video and do this video on the iGirl bundle instead. If you're not familiar with Bella, she is the internet girl. She is the biggest selling Depop seller. I do believe she's sold more than anybody else on that platform. She has created these things called the iGirl bundle, where she will style an outfit from head to toe minus the shoes. And I think she used to do shoes, but because of shipping, she did away with it and just called it the bod bundle. But she has sold like thousands of these bundles, and because I'm on Depop as a seller myself, I am familiar with, her and the stuff that she sells in her brand, and I thought it would be kind of cool to see how she would style me. And I pretty much told her that I am like punk princess. I super love Betsy Johnson and full tulle dresses, and I also am a big fan of Gwen Stefani and punk style. I'm not afraid to mix patterns. I love neons and pastels, and that's pretty much all I told her. So just punk princess, and I love Betsy Johnson, Dolls Kill, and Gwen Stefani. So I'm super excited to see what she came up with based on that information. Super excited to see what she included. So I am just gonna jump right in. So this is the package. From what I've seen, most of the packages are about this size, and they're always in this like pinkish purple bag. Let's open it up. I'm so nervous. It's like Christmas. I have no idea what is in here. Let's see, some kind of like bag or something. I see some cute stuff in here. Alright. This box usually has accessories in it. We'll do that last. And she always includes her little letter that explains everything. I'll read that after I go through what I got. Okay. So, this is super cute. So these look like shorts. These are Lazy Oaf. Those are super adorable. So I got that, and then, this is pretty. I don't know which way it goes. I guess this way. This is like a corsety, lacy top. It's super cute. And then there's like this little sheer type crop top with a turtleneck. That's purples and blues and yellows. And then this is some black pants. Super like, I don't know what you call these. They're Betsy Johnson. That's awesome. Betsy Johnson pants. I never even knew that those were thing, and they look like they're vintage Betsy Johnson. I don't know if you can see the tag. That's usually super old vintage Betsy Johnson tags. So those are awesome. So much stuff. And this is a cute little dress that's very like retro looking. It's got like green and black on the bottom, so that's cute. And then there's like this little guitar looking bag. I guess it's like a backpack. So that's super cute too. Jeez, like I got like a ton of stuff. Wow, I was not expecting all of that. Okay, so let's see what the accessories are. So I got the Aries choker. She has, in her own jewelry line, she has like horoscope necklaces, and this one just says Aries on, and that's probably like a choker. Then there's like this little coffin necklace. That's super cute. Then some little butterfly clips. Those are super cute. I actually don't have any of those. And I told her that I liked cat eye sunglasses, but it looks like I got two different glasses in here. These ones are super awesome. Those are super cool. I love those. And then there's these, I've seen these a lot, these like 90s looking sunglasses, which I probably had in the 90s. They just have like this little jewels on the bottom. So that's super awesome. And there's some like stickers in here, this little alien, another little alien guy. Wow. Okay, so let's read what Bella wrote about this outfit. I'm really surprised at how much stuff I got. Like, most of the ones I've seen, people usually have like 2 outfits. Alright, so there's this little spider tattoo, and then the internet girl stickers. She gives you this little card that has her like information all on the back. Instagram, Depop, her website. Okay, this is what she says. Hi Angel, I was super excited to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I'd pull it together from head to toe. To accessorize, I included our coffin pendant and zodiac choker in your sign. Stack these suckers up for an iconic look, hee hee. I also popped in those adorable green butterfly clips that match perfectly with your first outfit option, plus 2 pairs of Amaze Sunnies. The pink square frame bad boys look bomb with your second look, and those Diamante frames look killer with any of the options. For your bod, I included 3 different options for you, which I'm like super surprised by. For your first look, I included this insanely cute green and black color block dress by All That Jazz back in the day. I'm absolutely obsessed with this piece, swoon. This look paired with the matching clips I included is absolutely to die for. I felt that this gem was perf for your doll's kill bold colors request and will look stunning on your bod. The second outfit is, I wanted to include another option that is perfect for your punk princess theme. I included that darling vintage dream girl pink lace corset top with the sweetest rhinestone and ruffled details. OMG. When you mentioned that you love super glam tulle dresses, I just had to include this beauty. Pop on those precious lazy oak bloomers from my personal wardrobe underneath for a mini dress effect. Pair this look with that incredible pink guitar backpack and those pink sunnies for the ultimate punk princess moment. Hee hee. And third, lastly, I included a fit that is great for everyday wear. Slip into that gorge, multicolored turtleneck top with a divine rare AF vintage Betsy Johnson satin trouser, hard eyes. Since you said that you love Betsy, I knew that you would appreciate these bad boys. I would complete the look with your favorite platforms, duh. Thank you for trusting in my creativity. I hope you enjoy the look. Eternal love, Bella. So that is the note, which I am like super like blown away that she gave me 3 different looks and 2 different pairs of sunglasses. I mean, I feel like she, like, the vintage Betsy Johnson pants are like awesome, and the Lazy Oaf bloomers are super adorable, and I can't wait to try everything on. Before I try on and show you the looks, I just want to say that if you're on the fence about buying the iGirl bundle, I would totally do it. Like, I was skeptical. I've heard some like negative reviews about how she like pretty much puts in the same stuff into everybody's, and it's just like dead stock stuff that she had like a ton of and she just was getting rid of, or free things that she's gotten from different brands. But I think that she like legitimately took in like what I asked for her to do, and I do not feel like she like half-assed it. I don't know any other way to say that, but I feel like she really put in the effort, and to get 3 looks and the accessories. And I obviously know that Betsy Johnson vintage stuff is kind of, if it's rare, then it can be quite expensive, and I know Lazy Oaf stuff is a little bit on the pricey side, so paying $150 for this I feel was justified, and especially since I got 3 different looks, and I obviously can mix and match all that stuff because that's what I do. And I ordered this on Sunday when they went live, because she, every Sunday at 2 o'clock Pacific time, I think it's 5 o'clock Eastern time here, they go live, and she only has 20 of them available. And I think I was pretty much the first one to order, because I literally bought at 5 o'clock my time. So I ordered on Sunday and I got it today. Like, she shipped it out on Monday, I think, or Tuesday. She shipped it on Tuesday, so in 2 days she shipped it out, and I got it today on Thursday. So that's like super quick. I know some people were waiting, like, it says to wait at least 2 weeks for you to get it, but I clearly was like one of the first people to order, so I got mine like super quick, and I'm super thrilled with everything I got, and I am absolutely recommending that you get an iGirl bundle if you are thinking that you want to get one, but you weren't quite sure because of the price. I would absolutely recommend it. And thank you, Bella, for giving me these awesome pieces in my bundle. Like, I am totally blown away with the pieces that you sent me, and I am excited to try them on. So those were the 3 outfits that was part of my bundle. Which one was your favorite? I don't know, I can't pick. They're all super good, so I don't know, I might be partial to the pastel look, but the Betsy Johnson pants are super good, so I don't know which one's my favorite, but let me know which one's your favorite. If you are new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. If you want to check out some other haul videos I have, you can click down below. Also, if you'd like to check out my channel trailer, it goes over some random facts about me and why I decided to start a YouTube channel to help with my depression and anxiety. So if you are new to the channel, you might want to check that out so you can know some more about me. And I will see you in the next video.